Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a Word document inside Microsoft Word. That's super easy to do. So once you're inside Word, all you have to do is really click on Insert from the menu options. So if you're at home or wherever, click on Insert. And then on the right hand side, you will have this option that says Subject. Click on that. And from here, click and create file. So once you click on create from file, you can go ahead and find that Word document that you wish to insert. So I'm going to just say simply choose this Word document here and click on insert. Now from here, you will notice that you have the option to show the link of the file, or you can display the icon. So if you want, you can say display icon, and you will be able to display the icon as well as is. So let's go ahead and do it. So it's going to have a link and also display the icon, and you will see that's it, guys. And so you can see right here that I have this Word document open in the Microsoft Word itself. So if you want to insert Microsoft Word document in Word, this is how you can do it. And of course, if I double click it, you will see that it's going to go ahead and give me the option to open and so forth. So that's it, guys. That's how you can add a Word document in Word. Very easy and very simple.